Hey everyone, welcome back to English Conversation Hub. In today's video, we're going to learn how George and Chris talk about their daily routine in a natural and fluent way. This conversation will help you improve your English speaking skills and understand how native speakers talk about their day. So, let's get started. Hey George, what's up? How's your day going? Oh, hey Chris, not bad. Just another regular day. Work, coffee, and the usual routine. What about you? Same here, man. We never really talked about our daily routines. I'm curious. What's your typical day like? Well, I usually wake up around 6 a.m. First thing I do is check my phone, scroll through emails, and then force myself to get out of bed. Gotta be honest, waking up early is still tough for me. I get that. I try to wake up by 6:30, but sometimes I hit the snooze button a couple of times. What do you do after you wake up? Once I finally get up, I drink a glass of water, freshen up, and head out for a quick jog. It wakes me up and makes me feel a little less guilty about all the junk food I eat later. That's smart. I should start doing that too, but I usually just make coffee first thing. Black coffee, no sugar. It's the only way I function in the morning. Nice. I usually have coffee after my run. Then I take a quick shower and make myself some breakfast. Usually eggs and toast, maybe some oatmeal if I feel like being healthy. What about you? I like to keep it simple. A bagel with cream cheese or sometimes just a protein bar if I'm in a rush. I try to get to work by 8:30 so I don't have much time to cook. Ah, makes sense. I work from home so I start my day around 9. It's nice not having to commute, but sometimes it gets boring being in the same place all day. Yeah, commuting is the worst, but it does give me time to listen to podcasts or music. My office isn't too far, so I usually get there in about 20 minutes. That's not bad. Do you get a break in between? Yeah, we get a lunch break around noon. I usually eat at this little cafe near the office. They make the best turkey sandwiches. What about you? Since I'm home, I just make something quick, usually a salad or a sandwich. If I'm feeling lazy, I just order takeout. Same here, man. Sometimes I just don't feel like cooking. Anyway, after lunch, my day gets pretty hectic. Meetings, emails, deadlines. I barely realize how fast time flies. Oh yeah, same. The afternoon is always the busiest. I usually wrap up work around 5:30. What about you? I finish around 6, sometimes later if there's extra work. After that, I either hit the gym or just relax for a bit. What do you do after work? If I'm motivated, I go to the gym too, but honestly, some days I just crash on the couch and watch Netflix. Haha, I feel you. If I don't go to the gym, I try to go for a walk or just call up some friends to hang out. That's a good way to unwind. What time do you usually have dinner? Around 7:30 or 8. I try to keep it light. Grilled chicken, salad, or sometimes just leftovers from lunch. What about you? Pretty much the same. Though if I'm feeling lazy, I'll just order a burger or something. Not the healthiest choice, but hey, gotta treat yourself sometimes. Exactly. After dinner, I usually just chill. Maybe watch some YouTube or read for a bit. What's your night routine like? Pretty much the same. Sometimes I'll play video games or just scroll through social media until I realize it's midnight. I do that too. I try to sleep by 11, but let's be real. I end up staying awake longer than I should. Same here. Anyway, this was a fun conversation. It's cool to see how our routines are similar, but still a bit different. Yeah, definitely. We should catch up more often. For sure. All right, man, I should get going. Have a good night. You too. Talk soon. That's all for today's conversation between George and Chris. I hope you found it helpful and learned some new phrases for talking about your daily routine in English. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Conversation Hub for more exciting conversations and English learning tips. Also, hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments what topic you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and keep practicing.